Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be doing kind of like a get ready with me to film all my videos. We're just gonna chit chat and get to know me. I had a YouTube channel many years ago, got bullied off the internet, and I'm back making beauty content. I hope you can stick around. Don't even look at my underarms. I shaved instead of waxed. It was a bad idea. So hi. I'm Julia. I'm a professional makeup artist. I've been doing makeup since I was 16 years old. I have always loved makeup. I did competitive dance and that's where I first fell in love with makeup. I've always loved dabbling in anything creative. Growing up, we didn't have a lot of money, so there wasn't a big budget for me to just do makeup. Investing in makeup for a child when you're trying to put food on a table isn't practical. My parents gave me every possible thing that they could. I was heavily influenced by magazines, commercials, anything that someone had makeup on. My mom knew absolutely nothing about makeup, so I had to teach myself rather quickly if I wanted to look like the other girls. I wasn't perfect at it at first, for a long time actually. Even throughout high school, my freshman and sophomore year, I would do my makeup for competitions, but I didn't really know what I was doing. My two best friends that I had met in high school actually were the people that started getting me into makeup, tried to teach me how to do my eyeliner and my eyebrows, and they would sit with me and put stuff on my face, and it was really cute. At the end of my sophomore year of high school, I started dating someone. We dated until my freshman year of college. For me to say that it was a good relationship is negotiable. The best thing that could have ever happened to me was meeting their mom, and that's really messed up. It drove me to the career that I'm in today, and I'm really thankful for that. Thankful that I was able to have a relationship with her in such a way that she brought me to a few weddings that she did and paid me for it and showed me a certain side of makeup I'd never seen before. If there's one good thing that came out of that, it was that it launched me straight into what I wanted to do with my life. And I remember this was pre-COVID time. I had a select group of friends and I would be posting my makeup. I would post on YouTube makeup videos or life videos. Everyone that was like up and coming, kind of like either my age or just like any age, just up and coming, their friends were posting everything, supporting them and hyping them up. And my friends, I never got one repost. I felt really alone, didn't feel supported in like my creative journey and doing makeup and like wanting that for myself. I just didn't feel the confidence in myself to keep going, no matter if I was getting supported or not. I felt really alone, and then college happened and I went through that breakup, and then I stopped doing makeup professionally. Then COVID hit, everyone stopped doing makeup professionally, and it was a really hard time. I threw away most of my makeup, and it was so sad because some of it was so archival. As COVID was ending, I met my current boyfriend. He is the one that inspired me to get back into the beauty world. Going to esthetician school, which kind of launched forward my love for makeup again. We had worked together kind of at a family-ran business. I was doing that through college, and he was doing that for money on the side and really to just help me. Like, forget the money, he was doing it to help me pick up some of my hours so I can go to school. Then when we stopped working there, I was like, man, I need a job to get me through the rest of college. I applied for Sephora, I got it. I was stoked that it was like $18 an hour at the time because I was so used to making 15, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm rich now. I just remember being super excited. Insert clip here of me screaming. I went to esthetician school. I did the Sephora tuition reimbursement program, where now I'm an LBA at Sephora. Esthetician school is a whole separate video because that was a beast in itself. Literally not because of the learning, but the people that you meet along the way. And then after esthetician school, I thought to myself, oh yeah, I need a studio. I need a room in my house to be dedicated to doing aesthetics. I'm gonna have people over my house. I started doing that and realized, what am I doing? I don't want people in my house. My parents live here. That's so weird. So then I just literally continued doing makeup. And I started as an LBA at Sephora. I really loved it. I love my clients. This channel won't really be too much expressing too much of Sephora. I'd love to talk about my training product. We call it training product now, and what we receive and test it out for you guys, and give like tips and tricks maybe of being an LBA, but I will not be discussing anything further because I can't afford to get fired right now. Overall, it's a great company to work for, and I actually do really enjoy what I do there. One day I can share my stories about it, but for now I can still share my stories about freelancing in general because I do also do that, and I have done that for quite some time. And so here I am now. My boyfriend has convinced me to restart YouTube again. I told my friends about it, and the energy feels a lot better. I now have a boyfriend that is so supportive of every single thing that I touch. and all in, and my parents have always been all in, and my friend group and my coworkers and everyone is just all in with me. I feel the love and I'm so excited. I genuinely love everything beauty, and I love to share my love for beauty with people, and I literally have an 8-page list of ideas, like just waiting to talk about everything. If you have any suggestions whatsoever on anything that you want to see from me, please let me know, because I'm just really excited to dive in and I aim to please. I want to show that you don't need $1 million to do makeup. You don't even need $50 to do makeup. It's insane how many people have this idea in their head that makeup is for rich people, or that makeup is for people who have been doing it forever and they'll never get the hang of it and they'll never be good at it. Let me tell you something. I have only ever done SFX makeup with toilet paper, lash glue, and fake blood. Don't even start. Because the truth is, makeup is for everyone. Makeup is for people with acne. Makeup is for people without acne. Makeup is for people who are mature and 50 plus. Makeup is for people who are 12 and older. Makeup is for musical theater. Makeup is for dance. Makeup is for fun. Makeup is for models. Makeup is for someone who's just sitting alone on a Tuesday night with nothing to do. Or makeup is for going out. Makeup is for everyone. Makeup is for girls. Makeup is for boys. Makeup is for everyone in between that. You should not have to feel like this community is too big or too small or not enough or not inclusive to you for you to not dive into it. You can make your own avenue. I have felt left out in almost everything that I've ever done, and I finally feel like I belong to something, and I'm so excited to share this part of my life. I want to do makeup artist tips and tricks and things that I've learned along the way, things that I've messed up on and corrected in the future that I think are common mistakes with makeup. There is no correct way to do makeup, but I think that there's an intention behind something and a reason why something isn't going the way you're intending. I can be helpful to that. That's just scratching the surface. That's literally just my story with makeup. Thank you so much for joining me on my first step of this journey, and I can't wait to see where it goes. So I'll see you in my next one.
There's so many ways to be happy.